into this house in August of 2008.
And it was just Pat and I at the time, and then our dog. And then we welcomed our first daughter a year later, and then we've had 2 more girls since then. So as we started to expand our home, we needed different heating and cooling systems that could fulfill what we needed in this house.
And our original system was probably nearing 15 years old, so with our last construction project, we decided to go all in and update the whole house with the Daikin systems.
This home had multiple additions through the years, and those additions eventually created a scenario where there were 3 existing split systems in the home. And with a new addition going on, it would have added a 4th split system. And the Daikin VRV system really gave us the opportunity to provide a solution where we had one piece of equipment outside.
And the ductless technology was really required for these last 2 additions, being that they were in challenging spots to get to, and being that we had to run through the existing house, ductwork really wasn't an option. So the ductless technology made the projects happen. And then the second fact is by going with the Daikin system and rolling all the 4 different systems together with a single condensing unit outside, we were able to save space in our electrical panel.
With a multi-story home that has different additions, those different additions have different heat loss and gains. The zone controls allow you the comfort and the ability to select temperature between zones without having one thermostat driving the whole house.
I am the bookkeeper in our house, and since we've increased the size of our home, the electric bill as well as the natural gas bill have not gone up drastically.
The Daikin VRV was such an obvious choice. We have one condensed piece of equipment, and we're taking up far less room, and it just makes the whole space a lot more enjoyable.
We would have had 4 outdoor units that would have taken up very key entertaining space for us outside. How we can populate with other things.
When we're outside, sitting by the fire pit, it's very quiet. You don't have to be interrupted by a sound of a machine turning on or turning off.
The Daikin VRV gave us advantages on zoning, the price of the system, the warranty, as well as energy efficiency savings.
It's a smarter system, and it's smaller as well.
And we were excited to bring that technology into this house.